Okay guys, I'm back. Let's plug this refrigerator in and see how it works. Finally got rid of the kitty. Okay. I'll go plug it in this side over here. All right. Okay. I'm going to take you off there. And so, I don't know what we're looking at here right at the moment. Okay, power's on. Okay, let's see if we can get it on. Okay, that's Fahrenheit, I think. Celsius, Eco. Okay, there's where we want that. I don't even know what I'm doing here. It's not doing what I thought it should. Okay. I want it on Fahrenheit. Now what's this? Fahrenheit, okay. Okay, so it's 54 degrees in there, and we want it to go down to, oops, I want to lower the temperature. I have no idea what this is doing. Okay, we'll put it on 3 and see if that works. Hey guys, I'm back with you. I just let this thing run for a little while. It's probably been just under 15 minutes, and it's down to 23 degrees. And it seems to be holding steady right there. I'm going to figure out this temperature control a little bit better. The readout only goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't know what that means. Does that mean in the 40 degrees or the 20 degrees or the teens? Obviously, it can freeze. It's down to 23 degrees right now. And it could be used as a freezer. I'll let you listen to it. Can you hear that? It just makes a very light noise. Little fan noise over here. Very, very quiet. I think once I get it figured out, the how to set this thing properly, because it's just sitting there on 23 now. It's too cold, obviously, but I'll get it figured out. I'll check back with you guys in a little while. Hey guys, I went back and checked my records to see what I paid for this unit, and this is a 54 quart Costway refrigerator and freezer. It will freeze too, and it'll freeze solid actually. It's a compressor type refrigerator, and it runs on 12 volt and 120 both. I've got it running on 120 right now, and I finally figured it out. I got it, I set it at 36. It's at 30 right now. The temperature's coming up just slightly because I had it really cold. I had it at 24. It went from 54 degrees right down to 24 in about 8 minutes. So that's pretty darn fast. And this is the instructions here. Tells you how to set it. And I'm still not sure. I just dinked with it until I finally got it set. I'm going to have to really study these or get a hold of somebody else that has one of these online or something and check it out. These got a 4.5 star rating from Amazon, and there was a lot of reviews there. And I went and checked on the price of these. They're now $5.39. I paid $379.99 for this and about $27 tax on it. So I came out like 407 bucks or something like that. And I guess it was a pretty good steal for it, you know, when you look at the prices they're putting on them nowadays. That was only in December too. That's the funny thing about it. So it's on 31 now. So it's going to come slowly back up to 36. And I'll check it again in the morning. So far, I'm pretty happy with it. And just whisper quiet. I can't hear it run. That's the nice thing about it. It doesn't run constantly because it has a little compressor in it. It compresses up the Freon, and then it circulates it a little bit. Then after a while, it starts running again. But it's very, very, very quiet. This is going to be real nice in the bus when you're trying to sleep. It's not going to wake you up. Okay, well, I guess that's about it on this. I was really surprised to know that the price came up that much on these, though. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, guys, there's the refrigerator sitting in its drawer, and this refrigerator only draws 55 watts of power. That's when the compressor is running. When the compressor is not running, it goes down to about 27, and it won't be a heavy draw on any solar system that you put it under. It's made to run really economically, and what I like about it, it has a lot of room in it. The drawer is going to be sitting right under the bed. The top of the bed is going to be right about the support rail on the bed is going to be right about here. It's going to be really close, and it's going to be on these soft close slides by Everbuilt, and the full extension slides, so they'll fit like this, and they'll pull all the way out, full length out. So this thing only has to come out 14 inches. So and these are 16-inch slides. So I can, put it to the front like this. Now I've got plenty of ventilation right here, and I'm going to have to drill the back of the box over there where this is. There's one exactly like this on the back. I'm going to have to put a hole in the back of the box and a little grate back there to protect this area. And that'll be in the cargo area underneath the bed. But I'll put a couple little pull handles that match the ones that I have on the bathroom and the other cabinet right here. And when you pull it out, it just opens like this. Get what you need out of it, you close it back up, and just slide it back under the bed. It'll be completely out of the way. I think it's pretty cool. The power supply is on this side, So I'll route it around, then over, probably through a hole on this side over here, and up to the, I'll have a flexible line on it, up to the solar system, or the 12-volt electrical system. And it'll run right off of the batteries off of the solar power system. Right now I'm planning 2 6-volt golf cart batteries with 225 amp hours, which will easily run this and the LED lights that we have in the bus and the inverter, so we'd have 110 power. But there's not going to be many things to power up on 110. I'm just putting it in there in case somebody does want to use something like a toaster oven or a microwave, and shouldn't be a problem at all. Okay guys, I think this is going to end this video. I'll see you on the next one.